Do you ever feel your feet numb or tingling, or do you feel tired at the end of the day with some swelling? Do you see the marks on your socks at the end of the day when you are getting back from work? So those might be signs of poor circulation. I'm Dr. Patrick Figueiredo, a doctor of physical therapy, and if you say yes to any of these questions, you're not alone. We see this all the time here in the clinic, and we have been using this MedMassager Plus in order to help some of that in the clinic. And the good thing is now you have the advantage to have this device at home and continue the treatment and continue to start seeing some improvements on your own, right? So the good thing about this machine, it's not just a simple massager, right? It has an oscillation vibration tool in order to mimic the kind of second heart of the body, right? So it will promote blood flow, it will promote nutrients to go to your nerves and the feet all the way down. Because a lot of times when you're losing sensitivity, when you're losing the ability to feel things, tingling, numbing, it's the nerve might be deteriorating and may not be working as well. Because imagine like a garden hose. I always like to tell that for my patients, right? If you have a water hose, you open up the faucet, and if there's not enough water going in, you're gonna be having a harder time to water the plants, water the garden, right? So similar in here, if you feel there's some restrictions, the blood flow is not going, so you're not gonna have the full potential to optimize and give nutrients to your nerves, to your muscles, to your tendons. So you may start building up a lot of inflammatory response, some swelling going on, and you may start losing some of the nerves, feelings or capability to know where you are in space. You maybe start noticing some shuffling on your feet, slowing your gait, right? So this tool may help you improve that circulatory component to give you better nutrients to your muscles, to your nerves, to your tendons, and help with some of that swelling and allow you to have a more refreshing start of the day, or relaxing you once you get back from work and allow you to rest a little bit and feel refreshed and get better nights of sleep. Okay, so we've been getting some good success with it. So now, if you do have a pacemaker, or if you have some blood clots, or you're pregnant, I would advise you to follow up with your doctor, making sure it is the correct use for you. Otherwise, I think this tool, it's a very good component to add in your rehab. If you're feeling fatigued and if you're feeling tired, it will promote blood flow to the area and improve your overall healing. Okay, so the link is below. You can go and take advantage of it. And what I would like to do today, I'm going to show you like 2 different variations that once you receive your product, you can utilize it right away. So that way you can get started on your own, okay? So those are the few things that we do here in the clinic. So I'm gonna bring this down. So the first one in here, nice and simple, the way I like it, right? Like you can move it back and forth and place it on the feet. There are 11 levels of vibration, from the slowest ones all the way to the highest level, so you can get a lot of vibration tools in there. So in the beginning, I would like to start between 2 and 3, and you can place your feet right on top of it. You're gonna start feeling that circulatory. Sometimes you may feel some itchy, and that means that there was some poor circulation in there, so the blood flow is going. So that means that if you do it consistently, if you have experienced that itchy, you're really gonna benefit a lot from it. And as you continue to do it throughout weeks, you're gonna notice that you're not gonna feel that itchy feeling anymore, right? There is a good bar in here. If you also have plantar fasciitis, you can place it in there and give a little bit of stretch. You can move it back and forth, place it around your toes. So there are little different variations that you can do to benefit from this. So I usually start between 5 to 10 minutes on your first day, get used to the vibration and its tools itself. So here it goes straight on your feet, and then you can do the variations, right? Easy to implement, can put it on while you're watching TV, reading, dining underneath your desk. So easy setup on this part. And then on the other ones right here, I like to set this up for the calves, right? So you can do and place the pad right here on the angle. So on that option, it was like this. You can put it upright, so that way you can get a comfortable chair and just relax and have that vibration on your calf muscles to help that circulatory coming in all the way through. Okay, if you're at home, get a recliner. You can put that on the recliner all the way up so you can sit nice and relaxed, an ottoman in front of you, so you feel more on a relaxed position in here. So we've been using this in the clinic a lot during our neuropathy program that we have here in the clinic, and has been some great success. And in addition to the newbie device that we have in the clinic, but this is something that for the program patients taking home, and they have it for life. So they have some good warranties in there, and so I would highly recommend. It's something that you can purchase and continue to implement on a daily basis, once or twice a day. You start simple, 5 to 10 minutes, and continue to improve from there. It will work wonders. If you are in the Harker Heights area, feel free to give us a call, stop by. We're happy to give you that try and see how it works. We have some of those here in the clinic. But if you're out there, please comment any questions that you may have. We'll be happy to answer you. And the link is underneath, it's below here for you to purchase. And I would love to see how the first weeks of trials has been for you and hear your success stories. Okay, I hope this is helpful, and I hope you can start improving your circulation and your feet and start feeling better, ability to walk and stay steady. Okay, I'll talk to you later.